The cost of defending Casey Anthony could be in the millions, and you, the taxpayer, will foot the bill. It's all new tonight in the case against Casey Anthony. Good evening. I'm Jim Payne.
And I'm Martha Sagowski. How would you like it if $1 million in taxpayer money goes to paying for Casey Anthony's defense?
WESH 2's Bob Keeling joins us live with tonight's big story. And Bob, can Jose Baez really ask the state to pay?
Yeah, in one word, Jim, yes. And an Orlando criminal defense lawyer says this is the only way Jose Baez will be able to afford to hire the experts necessary to defend Casey.
And so, yeah, I think the taxpayers are going to get stuck with paying for his costs.
We know tax money will be used to try to gain Casey Anthony's conviction for the murder of her daughter, Kaylee. But now criminal defense lawyer Richard Hornsby says Jose Baez has a legal right to argue the state should pay for a big chunk of Casey's defense fees.
This does not cover lawyers' fees at all. It's completely separate. The only thing it covers is the actual, it's called due process cost, the cost associated with defending a person, such as investigators and experts and things of that nature.
How much will all that cost?
I would say $500,000 to $1 million.
Citizen taxpayers say they should not have to pick up the tab for a pricey defense dream team.
No dream team. She should just get what everyone else gets for this type of trial. And
I just don't think it's right to keep everything as taxpayer money. Get this, that. I don't think it's right. But the law is the law.
Florida's Justice Administrative Commission has a set expert witness fee schedule. Baez experts would have to accept a set fee, do it for free, or leave the so-called dream team.
So closely audited, he's not going to be able to pull in all these fancy names unless they're willing to accept the state's pay scale.
For this to happen, the court would have to declare Casey indigent, Baez would have to disclose his current funding sources, and sign a 20-page contract agreeing to the JAC's guidelines. Now, when I spoke with Jose Baez today, he would neither confirm nor deny whether he's considering this money option, but he told me he is well aware that it exists. Jim.
Bob, thanks. We want to hear from you on this issue. Do you think the state should pay for some of Casey Anthony's defense now that it's a death penalty case? Take our survey and sound off in a forum on WESH.com. New questions tonight about the land where Kaylee Anthony's remains were found.
The for sale signs are no longer on that property. Last month, WESH 2 was the first station to report that the land was up for sale. But now those signs are down, and the realtor listing the land will not comment. The Anthony family has said that they hope whoever buys the land does not set up a permanent memorial to Kaylee there.